Alright guys, today I'm doing a quick review on this Smart Sweets. This is their berry sweet fish. So this is new, I just got it, just wanted to try it out. So here is the nutrient panel, if you guys want to read that, pause the video. 3 grams of sugar. So what they used is tapioca to make it, and here's a little bit of, there is a little bit of creatinine in this one, so they say it's a newer one, so just be careful with that. And yeah, that's disappointing though. So, but it has high in plant fiber, artificial colors, and flavors. Let's try it out and do a quick taste test for you. Okay, so I opened it. This is what they look like. That's what they look like right there. Okay, so these are more like gels than they are like gummies or anything. They're not chewy. They stick to your teeth. It's probably not my favorite, guys. But if you're looking for something more that sticks to your teeth, this is it. If you have any questions or comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.